On May 19, 2015, Corporals Adeleke Adedeji, Abena George, Oniyo Musa, Henry Shobowole, and Constable Joseph Omotosho, who were attached to the defunct Special Anti-Robbery Squad SARS of the Lagos State Police Command, were on a mission to Benin City to carry out arrests on suspected criminals. 26-year-old Benin-based car dealer Benson Obode was listed among suspects for their raid over alleged car theft. On May 21, 2015, Benson Obode was arrested at his home. Same day after his arrest, the news of his death filtered in after he was suspected to have undergone or subjected torture in the custody of the policeman. His corpse was later dumped at the Specialist Hospital Benin City with a different name. The police were said to have withdrawn the deceased money using his ATM cards to the tune of 330,000 naira at separate automated teller machines, having had access to his PIN code before his death. After thorough investigations by the police authorities, the corps were dismissed from the service. After years of legal battle, the presiding judge in charge of the case, Justice Oyemayo Viageli, on Friday, February 12, 2021, while delivering judgment, said the 5 dismissed police officers were found guilty of extrajudicial killing and sentenced the 5th respondent, Joseph Omotosho, who was the only one present in court, to death by hanging, while the judgment by others who are at large following the jailbreak at the Benin Correctional Center is yet to be delivered. Justice Viageli described testimonies provided by the claimant as firm and almost unchanged. Counsel to the claimant and that of the defendant expressed divergent views, while family members of late Benson Obode expressed joy at the judgment.
The court itself has passed its own judgment, the verdict, the judgment of the court. We on the other side, as the defendant, we are going to appeal against the judgment of this court, to test it on appeal.
What have happened today is a confirmation of the biblical position that says the wages of sin is death. When you conspire to take the life of another man with overwhelming evidence, the court have no other option than to reach the verdict that's ordinarily reached. The 5 defendants have been convicted as charged with respect to the offense of murder and conspiracy.
Firstly, I give thanks to Almighty God that made today to come up to reality. Though the case has prolonged since 2015 to this very day, but today the judgment has been passed. I thank the court, the judge, thanks everybody that supported us to make today to come to reality.
The condemned Constable Joseph Omotosho alongside Corporals Adeleke Adedeji, Abena George, Oniyo Musa, Henry Shobowole were found guilty of 8-count charge bordering on conspiracy to steal and murder over allegations of car theft in 2015. Mbiere reporting.